Hi guys, I am Abul Hassan Jubil from Bangladesh. Now I used to discuss how to grow dragon fruit and how to take care dragon fruit plant with a great nice dragon fruit garden from Bangladesh. Dragon fruit is found Thailand, Mexico, Asia and part of South America. Dragon fruit can be planted as ornamental plants, but they do bear delicious fruit that is rather tasty. It is used ice cream, fruit juice and wine. Now let's start to know how to grow the different type of dragon fruit plants. There are a couple of different type of dragon fruit. The most common varieties are white flesh with pink or red skin, white flesh with yellow skin, purple or red flesh and pink or red skin. The plant is native to southern Mexico and Central America. Today it is grown all over the world. It grows by many names including pitaya and strawberry pear. Dragon fruit is a low calorie fruit that is high in fiber and provides a good amount of several vitamins and minerals. Now the climate. Dragon fruit grows on cactus plants which love warm, humid climates and needs very little water. They are subtropical plants which need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. They will also grow well in a warm and sunny spot indoors. Now the soil requirements for the dragon fruit plant. This plant is able to grow in any soil that is well draining, but it prefers to grow in soil that is slightly acidic with a pH level that is between 6 and 7. Sunday soil is the best option for this plant. If it is not available, just ensure that it is well draining soil. Water. Only water the plant when the top of the soil is dry to the touch, and do not allow the plant to sit in water. The soil needs to be moist, not soaked. And fertilizer. To ensure that the dragon fruit is growing properly, give it some fertilizer every month during the active growing season. During the cold winter months, you will want to stop feeding your plant for a few months. Light requirement is the most important matter. The base of the plant can see a little shade, but the tips of the plant require full sun to ensure that the plant blooms properly. If too much shade is given to the plant, the fruit will not do well. Temperature requirements. Dragon fruit will not grow in cold climates. So make sure that the temperature is above 40 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent damage from occurring to the plant. For optimal growth, the temperature needs to be between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Growing season of the dragon fruit. It will not grow to the rest of the year, but when it does grow, it grows rapidly. Blooms will occur from July to October, but they will only bloom for one night each year. After the flowering occurs, fruit will begin to form. One plant can produce fruit for 20 to 30 years.
ঈদের দিন 17টা না?
Plant one, be ready.
এগুলো কত করে বিক্রি করছেন? এটা এটা কত করে বিক্রি করছেন?
This is very enjoyable matter.
2.5 লাখ টাকা।
Dear
মাশাআল্লাহ,
viewers,
এটা কয়
now
কেজি
you're
মাংস
seeing
হবে?
a dragon fruit garden with the cow farm in Bangladesh.
আর এটা কত বিক্রি করছে? মোটামুটি সবগুলা বিক্রি শেষ, তাই তো? আবার উঠাবেন কবে? এগুলা কি দিচ্ছেন, কি খাবার দিচ্ছেন?
The worker feeding the cow in their farms. They make the dragon cutting and transfer
Chara?
the whole Bangladesh
ড্রাগনের চারা বিক্রি করেন না?
for sale. Cow compost go to the dragon trees by a drain.
এই এটা
And
যাচ্ছে
the
এখানে
dragon
না?
tree make them
এই যে
very
এই
healthy.
গোবরগুলা এগুলো যাচ্ছে, তাই না?
The 12-hectare
এগুলো
land,
কোথায়
the
যাচ্ছে
total area of this
ড্রাগন
garden,
গাছের গোড়ায় চলে যাচ্ছে, তাই
there
তো?
are 2000 pillars and
আমরা আগেও এটা
6,000
দেখছিলাম,
trees are
অলরেডি
available
আমি এই বাগানে আরেকবার
in
আসছিলাম।
this garden.
যাই হোক, এভাবে এখানে
In this year,
আমাদের জমি জানি কতটুকু আছে এখানে?
the
36 বিঘা, মানে
taka
টোটালটার মধ্যে
of
ড্রাগন, তাই না?
3 lakhs
36 বিঘার
are
মধ্যে
selling the
আমার
dragon
গাছ জানি
fruit
কতগুলো
in
ছিল?
Bangladeshi market. So we can easily say that
খুঁটি 2000
this
খুঁটি।
project is
2000
a
খুঁটিতে আমার গাছ আছে
very beneficial
6000 নাকি?
project, and you can
কতটুকু
go
আছে আপনার
easily to make
গাছ আছে কতগুলো?
a big dragon garden. Dragon fruit can be propagated directly from the seeds in the fruit.
4টা করে, তাই তো?
You will
8000।
need to cut the fruit in half and then scoop out the seeds. The seeds needs to separate it from the flesh. So wash the seeds and dry them overnight. Using a germinating tray, plant the seeds in soil, but make sure that they are close to the top. Make sure that the soil is moist and then cover it with plastic warm until it germinates, which will take 10 to 15 days. Once germination occurs, the young plants can be transplanted into a larger pot. Dragon plants from cutting. You cut the cutting into 3 to 6 inches cuttings. Apply fungicide to the ends and allow the cutting to dry. This is not a necessary step, but it helps promote growth, so it is useful. Next, you dry or cure the cutting, which typically takes 2 to 5 days. Okay, thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye.